at AOC are always looking for ways to promote kindness. We are always making sure that bullying is not something that occurs. And today is just one of those days that, because it's nationally celebrated, is something that kind of serves as a reminder to everybody just why it is that we should always be kind to everybody and how to be a good friend and things to look out for. So with that being said, something that we brought back from last year is throughout the week, we have all of the staff have been looking around for just random acts of kindness that we see from our students, things that they didn't even realize they were doing that were kind. Something as simple as reminding somebody to pick up something that they dropped, helping a friend find something, sharing with somebody. And we have been recording all of them. And this is currently hanging up in our front lobby. And these are not even all of them. There are some more, but this was taken as of the end of the day yesterday. And these are just all different students that have been caught doing something kind for somebody else. And we want to make sure that they are recognized for the kind things that they're doing. So that's something that is currently right up in our front lobby, if anybody is able to walk by and see that. Okay, and before we turn it over to our students, one other thing that our classes are all working on is they have all gotten strips of orange paper. They have all been decorating them with kind messages, something about unity, something about friendship, and they will all be put together into a chain. And hopefully all the classes will be able to come together, so it'll be one large school chain to again remind us that it really takes all of us to work together to make sure that kindness is happening and to stand up against bullying. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to start with our kindergarten classes. And our first class is going to be KP2, and our presenter is going to be Lana.
My name is Lana, and if somebody's lonely, I'll play with them.
Thank you, Lana. Okay, KP3, we have Liam.
Stand up, Seema. Stand up.
In our class, we have been reading books about kindness and friendship. When we are respectful, we use better than kind words.
Good job.
Thank you. KP4, we're going to hear from Juan.
Okay, we're gonna come back. I do see I got a text message. They are having a little bit of a technical difficulty, so we're gonna move on and come back once we get them all situated. Mr. Scholl, just keep going down the list and we'll go help them out.
All right, so we're going to move to 101 and we'll hear from Lara.
Kindness means respecting each other and helping others when they get hurt or fall down.
Thank you. From 1102, Michael.
Try to make your friend happy. They'll take turns. Number 3, friends share. Say silly jokes. Number 4, be brave. Ask someone nicely to play with you.
Thank you. And 1103, Megan.
Class.
When we use kindness in a classroom, we use kind words, work together, and care for one another, and show respect. We promise to help others and spread
Thank you. All right, KP4 is back on, so we're going to let Juan take over now.
Class.
My name is
Right here. Come here, puppy.
My name is Juan. I am in KP4.
I can be.
I can be kind by hugging someone who is feeling sad. I can be kind by holding the door for someone else.
Okay, thank you. How about Steve?
Thank you. Okay, we're going to move to second grade now. From 2104, we'll hear from Aya.
Unity is love and doing nice things. No bullying and no teasing. You have to be nice and kind and loving.
Thank you. From 2105, Emery.
Kindness is being kind to other people, and when you see someone looking sad, you should go up to them and say, "Are you okay?" It's important to be kind, then other people will want to be your friend. Remember, don't bully others because it's not kind. Happy Unity Day!
Thank you. 2106, we have Elizabeth.
I'm Elizabeth, and if somebody's lonely, you play with them and you'll be friends.
Thank you. Okay, third grade. From 3107, we'll hear from Chloe.
I think kindness means is you're nice to someone and you really care about someone. And being kind means you're caring, loving, and sharing. You always do something nice from your heart, not faking it. Everyone loves kindness so they feel respected and loved. Friends and family can be nice, kind, and loving, but fake friends don't do the same. Being kind is respecting your good side and showing and doing things nice. Another way to be kind is when someone's sad or upset, you can help them. That's showing kindness. 3107 is always making ways to be kind. This is why we celebrate Unity Day.
Thank you. 3108, Ava.
Kindness means not to say somebody is mean because they'll make them feel bad. Also, if you tell people not to talk to the other people, it will make them feel sad. If you talk to someone mean, they aren't gonna want to be your friend. You should try to talk to them if they are sad or mad. Have a great Unity Day.
Thank you. And 3208, Dylan.
My name is Dylan, and when people come like in the class or some other class, we make them feel welcome because they're like new in the class and they don't know like what to do. So we should make them feel welcome in any class.
Thank you. 4202, Mariana, and I think a couple other friends are joining her.
There we go. I think it,
Go. UNITY. Don't be shy. Come on, let's be kind. Together we make unity.
Let's make our world bully free.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Oh, look what I did.
I made it orange. Oh, nice.
So make sure we can move on. 4204, Ryan.
U for unite, N for nice, I for integrity, T for together, Y for yield. Together we can make a difference.
Thank you. We can go back to 4201.
go.
Class 4201 would like to dedicate this kindness day to Mr. Garnplug's dad. He was a special educational teacher who helps students with special needs. He was always kind to his students, and they loved how he wore bright colored shirts to brighten their day. Today, Mr. Garnplug is wearing one of his dad's bright colored orange shirts. He would like to dedicate this day to his dad's kindness. Class 4201 would like to dedicate these thank you cards to Mr. Garnplug's kindness.
Thank you so much. That was beautiful. Okay, and last, our fifth graders. 5203, Noah.
To me, unity means when lots of people come together and work as a team to do something, even if they are different. Bullying is the opposite of unity because unity is pulling people together and bullying is tearing people apart. Unity is good because it means peace between two or more groups or people.
Thank you. 5205, Isabella.
Okay. Hi, I'm Isabella C., and here's what I have to say about unity. You can change a person based on how you treat them. My brother was bullied, and now he is isolated and sad. He used to be very friendly. So you see, kindness has no charge. Unity can bring us together and make us behave nicer and kinder to the people around us and each other. Good morning and happy Unity Day. Yay.
Okay, and our last class, 5207, we'll hear from Kaya.
Kindness is an action. It's an action that brings a community together. Kindness is a feeling. It's a feeling that makes us warm and accepted. Kindness is a leadership. When you are kind to others, it sets an example for others. Kindness can spread if we all work together.
Thank you. And I think that's a perfect note to end on because you see just from us doing this today, how everybody came together. And even though you all said different things, everybody really brought the same message across. And that's that this school and this community stands for kindness. We don't stand for bullying, and we all have to work together to make that happen. Thank you so much to all of our presenters. Thank you to all of our teachers for helping them get that ready. And thank you so much to our families for being able to be here today. We really appreciate your time.
Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful rest of the day and happy Unity Day. Spread kindness. Bye, everyone.
Thank you.